Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. Today we're going to be talking about a little token called Helium, so stay tuned. Yo, what is going on, everybody? Welcome to Switchblade TV. Johnny Switchblade here once again. Today we're going to be talking about a little token called Helium. So let's just get right into it, guys. So I know I was supposed to start posting a bunch of videos, but just letting you guys know, I was in a motorcycle accident pretty recently, and I'm still not healed all the way. So yeah, bear with me, guys. Bear with me. So let's talk about Helium. Helium, HNT Helium. What is helium, guys? Helium's actually been around since 2021, guys. Check this out. I'm going to bring up the old phone here. So, Helium. People-powered networks. Helium is now on Solana. If you guys know about Helium, I'm pretty sure you guys heard that they just had a recent transition into the Solana blockchain. And a lot of people are saying that HNT is dead. But I truly believe that HNT Helium is just beginning. With this transition, it is just beginning. So let's check it out, guys. Starting a wireless revolution. The Helium network represents a paradigm shift for decentralized wireless infrastructure. Mine or use. So basically what the infrastructure is they're trying to decentralize wireless networks. You can see here there's a lot of hardware that you can use for Wi-Fi networks, but what's the reason for this? Like, check this out. Let's go ahead and click here. This is the whole reason for why I like this token. Let's go ahead and click here to mine. You can mine Helium by just using one of their wireless connectivity. I don't know if they're routers or what. Let's check this out, guys. Provide wireless connectivity and mine Helium tokens. Mining Helium tokens is done by installing a simple device on your home or office window, and that's it. Seriously. Hotspots provide miles of wireless network coverage for millions of devices across two wireless standards, LoRaWAN and cellular. And you are rewarded in Helium tokens for doing this. Hotspots are incredibly energy efficient, using only 5 watts of energy. Browse compatible hotspots. So, the reason I like this token is because you can mine it with these wireless Helium miners. When I was into mining last year and the year before, I never got into Helium miners because these miners that they build, they sell out just so fast. They sell out so freaking fast. But anyways, also, let's check out the token here. Let's check out the actual token, because if you're not going to mine it, because you can't get one of these Helium miners, you can still buy this token. Right now it's sitting at $1.54. They were just listed on Coinbase. But I want you guys to check this out. This is the potential that Helium has going forward. So right now, we went today, within the last hour, we went from $1.50 to $1.55 in the last hour. If we go back to the day, we were at a high of $1.73 and a low of $1.49. So we go back a week, and there was a high of 205, but none of that matters, guys. What matters is we're going to go back not to a month, not to a year, but we're going to do the all-time. So the all-time, look at this, guys. Look at the potential for this token. Its all-time high before the crash was at $50.74. $50.74. Right now we're at $1.54. If that's not potential, I don't know what is, guys. I don't know what is. Helium has a lot of utility behind it, and it's been around for a while, so I really don't think it's going anywhere, guys. I think this one is going to be around for a long time. I really like what they're doing. I really like that they transitioned over to the Solana network, and I really like the fact that I can mine these tokens. And yeah, guys, yeah. So definitely check out Helium. Definitely check out Helium and get into this token, because the potential is there. The potential is definitely there. It's going to be one of those long-term hold tokens, so don't think it's going to be a get-rich-quick scheme or anything like that. We're not here to get rich quick. We're here to dollar cost average and build an amazing portfolio and recover all of our losses and do what we can without losing our asses. So that's going to do it for today, guys. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below, do all those things that the YouTubers tell you to do, and we will see you next time. Peace!